Hello my soapers, welcome to my channel Gabrieles Miss, and today I'm Rosemi, also known as vivikarrina. Today I have an unboxing to do from my soapy sister or soapy sister. One second though. Okay. Or soapy sister GodzHarleyGirls. Okay, so I will be doing the unboxing. GodzHarleyGirls Studio, yes, that one. So I will be doing the unboxing. We did an exchange when we did the soap collaboration, the first annual soap collaboration, the Drunken Soap. You need to go and see that video and also follow all of the amazing soapers that collaborate in that collaboration. I will link the video in the information box down below, so you can go and check them out also. And we did an exchange. Each of the soapers got one soaper to exchange, and I got how you say, my swap partner, my trade partner was 3 from GodzHarleyGirls Studio, and she did an unboxing. I will also link that video down below, and so you guys can go and see. Now I'm trying to open this one. I'm doing the surgery. You know, these boxes, the small boxes, have a part where you can tear that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing that surgery. So I don't break anything inside. Just a second though. I almost break something. Oh, the smell is awesome. I can smell it. I can smell it. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is this? Oh, I can smell it. Yes. Oh, how beautiful. Look at that. How pretty. Look it, look it, look it, look it, look it. How pretty. That is amazing. Pink confetti, and I can see some candies. Oh wow. Look at this, guys. How pretty is this? You see my camera focus? Okay. Look, how pretty is this? This is white sweet. Well, this is wild sweet orange tea. Oh wow, I will drink this today. Yes, and I got some candies. Nice. Thank you so much. It's pretty. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh, how pretty. Look at this. This is matte orange degreaser soap Look how beautiful. Look how pretty. It's very sealed. Little tiny hole somewhere. Yeah. Oh goodness, this smells awesome. Look the swirls. Can you see it? Oh, I'm lost here. Can you see them? How beautiful. This is a beautiful bar. This is her emblem and her stamp in there. So beautiful. It's very beautiful and smell wonderful. She sent me some samples. This is Batman Detox Activated Charcoal Facial Bar. Oh, it's so cute. Let me smell it. Very light. I will be using this for sure. I got some acne breakout, so I need to use my charcoal. So this will be used today. This is monkey fart. I love monkey fart. Look how pretty. Look at that swirl. This is so beautiful. How nice. Those colors are beautiful. Oh yes, monkey fart. I never thought that I would like the monkey fart, but you know, smell like bananas. Thank you so much. I got another sample. This one is 3 best aloe vera, cucumber, avocado, and please read and chlor 3. Yeah, that one. I hope my camera focus because I am having some trouble with this camera. Cling cling. Let's see. Maybe it's the light, I'm not sure. Let me smell this one. Smells so fresh. Smell very fresh, very clean. I'm liking it. I love cucumber, and this one smells very fresh, very fresh. This one, oh my goodness, I love this one. Oh wow, this one is her chocolate covered strawberries. Look how pretty. Look how beautiful is this one. Very, very beautiful. I love the colors in it. Very nice. And here is her stamp. Hopefully you can see. Oh my god, it smells so good. Here is her label. The light is fighting with me. Okay. Here is her label again. This very nice bar. And in the top you have the strawberry. Yeah, the strawberry, the chocolate strawberry. Very nice. I will also link her website in the description box below. Let me smell it on the top. Oh, it smells wonderful. I'm loving it. And this is the exchange bar that we were supposed to send one another. Look, Betty. This is the drunken bar. This one is really big. This is the drunken bar. This one have aloe vera, cucumber, and avocado. Aguacate. Look how pretty. Those colors are very vibrant. Very beautiful. Very, very nice bar. Let me smell it. It's really sealed. Oh goodness. I think this one is the one I am smelling. Yep, smell very good. Very, very good. I love it. I am loving it. Very fresh. Yes, I love her labels. They're very nice. I'm loving these soaps. Thank you so much. I will take some pictures now. Oh, so cute. This is a degreaser. Nice. I will take some pictures. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Please go and show her some support, people. Thank you, 3. I'm loving these soaps. They are very beautiful. Thank you for doing the exchange with me. I will drink this today. And I will be using the activated charcoal. I need it. I need it. Picture time. Yes. I'm being a little sick. So, yeah. I'm tired. Sick and tired. I'm feeling a little better now. So I choose to do the video, because if not, I can do it. I cannot do it. So thank you so much, 3, for these amazing soaps. Thank you so much for these amazing soaps. I will be posting the pictures on my Instagram. Please, people, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye and blessings. Thank you.